Hello friends, myself Desh Mukherjee. So today's video topic is packages in Java. In Java, packages play a crucial role in organizing our structuring code of the enhanced modularity, reusability, and maintainability. Package is a way of grouping related classes and interfaces. It provides a namespace of the classes contained within a preventing naming conflicts and promoting an hierarchical organization of code. Next one is a namespace or an organization. Packages in a sub namespace, ensuring that class and interfaces names and unique within the packages. The prevents necking collisions, and especially in large projects where multiple developers contribute the code. The hierarchical nature of package helps in organizing code, logically reflecting the project structure. For example of if you are developing banking application, you might have packages like com.bank accounts, com.bank customers, and com.bank transaction. The structure makes it clear organized, allowing developers to allocate the understand the code efficiently. Access control package provides the mechanism to access control classes and members mark with the default access modifier, also known as packages private, are accessible only within the same package. The enforce encapsulation and helps to hiding interpolation details, making it easier to maintain to understand the code. Encapsulation package support encapsulation by allowing classes within the same package to access each other. Packages private members. This enable the certain of the units of functionality that are tightly integrated within the package and encapsulated from the outside world. Import statement to use classes of other packages. Java use import statements. These statements inform the compiler about the classes the program will be using. For instance, if you want to use a class, my class, for the package com.example, if you write import com.example my class. Next one, Java API. The Java API standards edition of API itself organized into packages. For example of the java.etl package contains util classes. Next one, java.input output handles input and output. The Java.language contains fundamental classes of string and object. The modular organization allows developers to leverage of the Power Java extensive classes and library efficiently. Next one, jar file. Packages facility the certain of Java active this called as JR files, which a complex collection of class files, resources, and metadata. Jar files are a standard way of packaging and distributing the Java application or libraries. They encapsulate the code of the ensures making it easy share and deploy applications. Naming convention. Java follows naming convention for naming package using reverse domain name. For for instance, if your company domain is example.com, if your package might be name like com.example package name. This convention helps prevent naming conflicts and provides the globally unique identifier of package. Package visibility in Java are levels of visibility for classes and members: public, protected, and default. Package is private. Classes and members marked as a public, accessible from anywhere. Protected members are visible within the package and subclasses, and default members are accessible only within the same packages. Next one is the package info.java. Each package have a special file name package.info.java. These files contain package level annotations, comments, and other information about the package. It helps documents and describe the purpose use guidance for packages. Conclusion, packages Java provide powerful mechanism for organizing and structuring code, promoting modularity Thank you.